Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create an email signature in Outlook. See here, this is an example of email signature in Outlook. You can create an email signature to show it automatically in Outlook when you start sending email. So how to create this kind of email signature? Let's start. This is the home page of Outlook. Select new mail. Then go to the insert section of the ribbon and select signature and signatures. This is the signature section where we create a signature name and signature. In signature, we can put the name, position, business name, and website, telephone number, and any other links too, like social media links too. So in the edit signature name, we can put signature name. I say work, and save it. Under this work, I create signature. So for the signature, I says Daniel Smith, and it's marketing manager, Alpha Beta Business House, Toronto office, and the website, we can link the website, this web address to the website. So select the website, is a link button, you create a hyperlink, and here you have to do, for the demo I just do the www.google.com. Okay, so a link is created. There you have to put the real websites link. So this is almost done. So we can change the fonts. I can increase the font up to 18, and also I'll just bold it, and I bold this too. I change the font here to 14, and I like to change the color of this Daniel Smith, and bold it and change the color. I'll color green. So signature is ready, so I can save it. Now the other thing is we have to select where you want this signature to appear. For the new messages, replies, forwards. So I just choose work for the new messages, but I don't select this to replies and forward. So when you reply any messages, so this signature will not appear. When you forward messages, the signature will not appear, but when you create a new message, the signature will appear. Just cancel it and discard the message. So select new email here, and you will see the signature you created. Email, new email, and the signature appeared here. You just write your message and send to the person you want to send it. That's how signature we can create. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.